Hello everyone. Timesheet duplicate copy module enhances the timesheet functionalities by adding an copy button in the timesheet list view. When clicked, it duplicates a selected timesheet entry with its all data except the date, improving efficiency and reducing and manual data entry work. Now, after installing this module, now let's get into the timesheet. Now over here in this my timesheet, let's get into a list view. So in this you can see an option for copy this record. So you can see that this is the one which we have created. Okay, now it's over 5 hours. You can see that which will be on 23rd March. So you can see now it will be at 24. Now let's duplicate the same. Now you can see that the same record will be created on the today's date with a project, task, description, hours spent, everything will be same as duplicated. Okay, so this is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries, and if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.